So, a quick upload of today's DAX moves. I've marked both the trades I picked. Let me just run through why I picked this one on this one continuously. If you're watching here, we're coming from a 15-minute time frame. This is the German DAX, the Dax40. We hit top resistance and a range with a morning star and the 200 EMA, and we swooped yesterday's session at this high. Then we came low during the Asia session. They came fill this fair value gap that was here. Let me get, no, I cannot do that. There's a fair value gap here. Let me just make it wider. Yeah, see this fair value? At the Asia session, they came in and fully filled it in. So after this, there's a fractal. You'll get a rejection, which should go to this high. However, we're in a big downtrend, big downtrend from days from now. And as soon as you see this hit at the 200 EMA, this doesn't have to go this way. Interesting position right now, by the way. So price came in and swooped liquidity here, and at 9 -1 made a very big pullback all the way down to this area over here. Now we see in hindsight that this was a move from liquidity to internal value, which is this order block here, which is blocked by these bars. There we go. This order block here. See? From all the way here. Let me get that for you. See? Price came in, emptied all the orders that were used for sell positions, and now these sells are now transferred here to push the price lower to more liquidity. And now at the pivot, if you check the 15-minute, this should keep sweeping all the way down here. In theory, because this is like a very big mariposa. Also, we come back from relatively bad news at 8, but if you watch 8 o'clock, this is so telling, because 8 o'clock, if you have bad news, why are they buying? They are buying just to make a sell model, a quick sell model, because if they want to sell, they have to buy first, get it in a sell high position or a top, and then proceed with the sell-off. Check this shit. The DAX is so goddamn Nazi. It's so insane. See, they came all the way down here to sweep all the all the Asia range, except this all the way down here. And now they're kicking it up out all again. And even so, holy shit, even so, this could continue dumping. It's so cracked. The DAX is so crazy. However, what you need to do is, after liquidity sweeps, you will get reactions, at least in my humble experience. And it's within these reactions, confirmed reactions as well, because this first trade I put in because it was 9 o'clock. And this backwards pressure should have made me leave the trade, but I stayed in and I got out at break-even, not stop loss, at break-even. However, when price came here and came back pumping, this is a sweep of a sweep. So yeah, thing is, all the people that went long here, when price back down here, they are either a negative or they have been stopped out like I was. And then you get the fact that you know, quote unquote, that this should be bullish. Should. If you come from the 15-minute time frame, you can see a little bit of a trend line here and a little bit of a channel. And after this candle, you would think that this would crack higher all the way here. However, if they want to go higher, they first have to get in a fair value and then generate all the position here to be able to move it higher. Also, it will coincide with a much better field levels. Most likely this will hit here either in the next minutes, because it's like dumping hard right now, or as soon as we get, see that there's a fair value gap here in this area, there's a sideways range here, and this is like the low, so they might even come all the way down here. Not interesting for us for now, for today, because we're done today, but these are, like, if you're scalping, these are the strongest moves that you might have guaranteed, because you get the sweep here, and then after you get bullish pressure in this candle, which is it's kind of a pattern, and that's why I read not doing this. Like, sometimes I forget I should like do this continuously. Nice rejection, by the way. Thing is that when you see like get low and pressure buy and pressure buy and pressure buy, then you get in, because it just confirms that price wants to keep moving higher. This also gets confirmed because if price wouldn't want to go higher, all these orders wouldn't be here. This would have been a dump to kill as many people as possible, and then this candle should not have happened. It would have been like this setup that it's delivering now, but instead of here, it would be delivered here. So they want to go up, and if they want to go up, you need just 20 pips. You need 20 points, and that's all you need. Make your bet size properly, and you need 20 pips. It's all you need. If I played 10 contracts, I would have done $200. So yeah, that's all you need, basically. The first went out at break even, but the second one, it tapped the order block, but it did not clean it, all of it. And since if this goes lower and we're bearish, you know that they will want to go up to the last order possible that they need to purge it. It actually these buys orders from here, because this is a sell, this is a sell, and this is a sell. So all these contracts all the way up here, they give you a chance to leave, and not only for you, but because they need those contracts, meaning the banks, funds, and institutions. And since you know they want to go here to free all this, you can take from liquidity, which in this moment was external, to fair value internal. And if that size, that distance is over 20 pips, you just go after the sweep, after the sweep's confirmed. Okay, that's that.